Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel. And today I am coming on with my first Beebeecraft project share. I have used two of the die sets in this project. I used this bow die, which you will see cut out. I also showed samples of them on my unbagging, so you can go back and look at it there. And I used these flower dies that have a word on the stem. I love these. Love, love, love. So those are the two sets that I used in this project. Now, I would just like to tell you, if you would like to become a Beebeecraft YouTube design team member, all you have to do is make videos on YouTube, have 100 or more subscribers, and go to Beebeecraft and apply to be a design team member. If accepted, they will let you choose $40 worth of items free of charge. They will send it to you, and you need to do 3 videos in return. One of you opening up the package and showing what you received, and 2 videos like this where you show what you make with the items. So I will leave links to everything Beebeecraft below. Their website, the design team link, if you'd like to be part of that, and also a link to the items that I've used in this project share. Alrighty, so let's see what I made this time. So I made this little box, and here's that bow. That's the die. And you might think my colors are a little funky, but I like purple and green together a lot. It's probably my second favorite combination after pink and green. I love green, is my favorite color, and pink and green together is gorgeous, and purple and green together is very pretty. So I want you also to know, before I open this up and show you what's in here, I just used my scraps. I did not cut up regular pieces of paper except some white to make this little box. Other than that, I used what I had in scraps. So don't feel you have to get a whole new sheet of paper every time you create something. Look through your scraps. You never know what you're going to find. So I made this little belly band just as a decoration to go on the box. I think it's cute. And I made this little box, and it is, let's see, 4 3/4 by 2 3/4. It's little, but it's cute, and it's very sturdy. I made it with 110-pound cardstock. And this is what I made. I made a little mini card set. I used all those floral dies and made little cards. Look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? Perfect little thing to write a message in if you're sending some happy mail or something, entering a contest or giveaway. I think it's so cute. I love it. So I made a whole set, one with each one. This one says hope. This one says smile. This was white when I initially cut it out, but I just took my alcohol markers and colored it. That came out cute. And I put a little flower in each of them. I wasn't going to decorate the insides at all because there's not a lot of room for writing, but I had to put something. I always put something on the inside. So there's 2. And then there's this one. And this says love. Isn't that cute? Love it. And a little flower. And where's the fourth one? Here it is. And this is the fourth one, and it says wish. I just think these are adorable. I could have made these into bigger cards if I wanted to, but I don't know. As soon as I saw them and saw the size of them, I just knew I wanted to make a little note card set. So that's what I did. I made the little note card set, and then I made the box for them to go in, and the little belly band. Don't need it, but thought it'd be cute. But then I said, oh, these are weird sizes. They're going to need different envelopes. So what I decided to do was I made little tiny policy envelopes. Aren't they cute? Look at how cute they are. And they all have the little flower like you have inside the card. And they fit perfectly in here. And I just think they're so cute. You can write somebody's name on it any way you want. I just thought it made a really cute little set. So, hope you like what I created with my Beebeecraft dies, bow dies, floral dies, and my little envelopes. Too cute. And the box. And I made the box. So, that's it for this one. Hope you like them. Let me know what you think. Until next time, love yous. Bye-bye.